Hey everybody, I'm back again, and today I have another great real-time workout for those of you at home who are able to move both arms fairly well. So obviously your strong arm after a stroke is not affected, but if you have enough strength in your affected arm or your weaker arm where you're able to move that arm against gravity, you can raise it up fairly well, but it's still not 100%, but you're able to move it and move it with a little bit of weight. Now, you do not have to use weight for this workout, but if you're able to do so safely and have good form with that weaker side, feel free to throw on a light wrist weight or use no weight at all. That's totally fine. But in this workout, I'm going to take you through a few exercises involving standing. If you need the walker or a walker or the back of a chair in front of you, please do that so you have some support for safety, okay? And then the remainder of the exercises will all be done seated. And again, using weight is completely optional. Everything you can do, everything I'm going to show you today can be done without any weight or resistance, just moving your body. And that is the goal here today. You can do this workout from a standard kitchen chair like what I'm sitting in here today. You can do this from your wheelchair. You can do this from your recliner, or you could do this seated at the edge of your bed. The goal here is to not only work upper body and legs, but also to engage those core muscles. So if you are sitting, or when you are sitting for the arm exercise portion of this workout, try to encourage yourself to sit up as tall as possible and not to be resting back on the back of your chair or some other support behind you, so that your core, abdominal, your back and spinal muscles will all be turned on, engaged, and working and getting stronger as we move through these exercises, okay? I'm gonna give you guys the option. I encourage you always to do a very good warm up. So do some marching, do some standing, just do some whatever your normal stretch routine is before you jump into this workout so that you know that your body is warm and those muscles are warm, okay? At any point, if anything is painful or uncomfortable, just stop or skip that movement altogether. And always feel free to pause this, skip ahead, turn the volume down, crank up your own favorite music, whatever you got to do to kind of motivate you to get through this and get a good workout in, okay? Let's get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more DIY videos to help you along the way in your stroke recovery. Struggling at home? Have a question? Leave me a comment. I'm here to help.